Hi, this is Oscar from IPTHUB Cybersecurity Inc. We're a Checkpoint partner, and this video is to quickly show how to upgrade the firmware in a Quantum Spark 1500 family. So let's go to work. According to the latest CVS that has been exposed by Checkpoint, they are requiring every mandatory requirement that everyone should upgrade their devices, the Checkpoint Quantum and the Spark gateways. So we have the fix here, and here are the basic recommendations. In this moment, we're just going to focus in the update of the firmware. So according to this, according to the CVE 2024-24-19, the Quantum Gateway Information Disclosure, these are all the products that are being affected by this vulnerability: CloudGuard Network, Quantum Maestro, Quantum Scalable Chassis, Quantum Security Gateways, Quantum Spark Appliance, which is the one that I'm going to be demonstrating how to do the upgrade. So basically, here is the explanation how to do it in those platforms. And we're going down to the Quantum Spark appliances. Right now, I'm on my device, the one that I have here. This is a proof of concept that I have. So basically, it's the version R811008. And according to, let me close this one here. So according to this, I need to look for the SK181080, which is this one right here that I already have here. SK, okay. So I go download to the SK101080. I go to the downloads. I'm gonna look for in this case, the device that I have here is 1570. So I'm gonna download, I'm gonna close this one here now. So I'm in the family, the 1500. So I'm gonna download this image. So it's gonna start downloading. And as soon as you download it, you go and you sign into your device. Usually when you want to sign into your device, basically you go to the https:// my IP firewall, and this is the version, the link, or you can type the IP address of your gateway. As soon as you sign in, you go to device, system operations. And here you can go to you can come to the firmware upgrade. And there are two options that you can do. You can do it manually, like you basically download the file and you follow the steps that I'm going to use about to do it. Or you can sign into your portal, and then you sign into the portal.checkpoint.com, and then you go to Spark Management, and then you choose. In this case, I'm using plans for my devices, or you can go straight to the gateway, follow basically the same order. You go to firmware, and in this case, I have been using that to choose to automatically do the upgrade by using the Checkpoint latest. In this case, I'm going to use if you want to use the portal, you need to come to the specific firmware version. You choose your family of the device, and you're going to have two options. You're going to have the today, May 30th, 2024. This is the recommended, the R1881.10, which is the one that is right now installed. But because the issue that we have with the CVE, the latest one is this one. So basically, you can just choose, save, and after you choose and save, you go to the gateway. Really quick, I'll go to the gateway here, boom, and then you click over the right side, fetch now, and then it's gonna send the signal to the gateway. When you come to the gateway, you're gonna get basically this version here, this message that there is a new firmware available. You can click upgrade now, and automatically the device is gonna start doing the upgrade. Or you can do the manually, that's why we downloaded this file from here by clicking here. So I'm gonna do the manual upgrade just for sake of following the manual upgrade. But if you click upgrade now, boom, it's gonna start doing it. So I'm gonna click manual upgrade, and then I'm gonna click next here. It's asking me for the firmware. I'm gonna browse. I'm gonna go to my downloads. I'm gonna choose it, open. I'm gonna click on upload. I'm gonna wait a little bit until the full image is being uploaded and tested, and make sure that it matches with the firmware and the hardware. Then the firmware match with the hardware. Validating the image is done. So I'm gonna click next. And basically, as soon as I click next, the upgrade is gonna start, which is the same if you had clicked in the back, the start now, the upgrade now thing. I'm gonna click next, and basically that's the only thing that you need to do. Just let it go. It might take about 4 or 5 minutes to do the whole thing after being initialized and the software being upgraded. You will have to sign back because it's gonna reboot. A very important thing. When you do firmware's upgrade in this situation, the device might reboot to change the new interface, the new firmware. So if this is in production, you need to plan it ahead of time, okay? Which is something that you have to do right away. As soon as you finish the process, you're gonna get into a screen like this. This is the new interface that you will see in your Spark plug, yes, your Quantum Spark. And as soon as you need to sign, and as soon as you see this, basically you are done. Okay. So thank you very much for watching. I wish you success. Bye.